Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this 2007 Audi A4 with a 2-liter petrol engine. This has an automatic transmission as well. On today's video we are going to be changing the air filter in this car, and the air filter I'm going to be using for today, hopefully I got the right one, it's this Napa filter NFA 1058. It does look like the correct one, so we are going to be doing that today. So the air filter in this car is located here, and we need to remove this cover. We have 2 Phillips screws just sitting here, which we're going to remove. Once you remove those 2 Phillips, we can then lift this cover up. Oh, but before we lift it up, you want to disconnect this rubber from down here. It's just a matter of pushing it out, really. And this one, it's a little bit broken, which is why it came out so easy. So anyway, it just slides out, but it does have some bits on the side of it. It's a metal bit, and it's got 2 bits on the side, so you just want to gently push it out. You should then be able to remove this plastic cover, and then we have another 2 Phillips screws, one there and one there. You don't need to completely remove them, but do take them out a little bit, because otherwise they do interfere. Now we also want to, with one of these, get this clamp. Get that out of place, and then we are going to wiggle this, sort of open it that way, and it has to come up, but also we want to loosen it from here. So okay, so that's open. And so if we can take these ones out a little bit more, because they do interfere with everything. That's the filter. It's not terribly bad, but it's been there for years. And this filter here, this is a Bosch filter 1457433 So I am fitting the Napa one, however, I mean, it does look exactly the same, but I will add the link for the Bosch filter. And check inside of it here. If it's really dirty, give it a bit of a clean, because you may find a lot of dirt like this. So this one is not tragically dirty, but you could use a bit of air to blow it out. Now we just need to fit that back in there. Okay, that fits in there. So that needs to sit down properly, so these two can match. And this has to go back in the clamp there. Don't over tighten those. They're only screwing into plastic, so if you overdo it, it will just round and become loose. And we're pretty much done here. Just have to fit this pipe. And we have 2 Phillips screws. Again, those go into plastic. I'm just going to cover these screws with a bit of copper grease, because they are exposed more than the other ones, and they do get a bit corroded. So if you want to avoid any future dramas, you can put a little bit of grease on them. Okay, and that's it. That's our air filter done. It didn't take too long, but it is a little bit fiddly. More than other cars are a little bit easier, but again, it's not really that bad. So anyway, having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. I will add the links below. If you have any comments, suggestions, let me know. And don't forget to share and like the video. Thank you for watching.